What is the worst example of helicopter parenting you've ever seen? 1. One day some years ago, I got the following email out of the blue. Hi Stevenine, your parents sent me a package with your information and pictures and a letter saying they wanted to set us up. As flattered as I am in a committed relationship right now. I am also only 21 years old and I'm not looking to get married or have children anytime soon, which your parents made clear was your intention. I'm sorry, but this isn't something I am interested in.